In this video, we will see a very important question which is usually asked in board examination. In such questions, we are given some missing frequencies like x and y, which we have to find out. So here we have an example. The median of the following data is 525. Find the values of x and y if the total frequency is 100. So these are the class intervals: 0 to 100, 100 to 200, 200 to 300, 300 to 400, 400 to 500, 500 to 600, 600 to 700, 700 to 800, 800 to 900, and the last one is 900 to 1000. These are the frequencies: 2, 5, x, 12, 17, 20, y, 9, 7, and 4. And we are given here the sum of frequencies is equal to 100. It is given in question. So to find the value of x and y, we will use the formula of the median which we have used in previous question. And for this, we will have to find out the cumulative frequency, CF, also known as Z frequency. So let us find out first cumulative frequency. 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus x, 7 plus x plus 12 is 19 plus x, 19 plus x plus 17 is 36 plus x, 36 plus x plus 20 is 56 plus x, 56 plus x plus y, 56 plus x plus y plus 9 is equal to 65 plus x plus y, 65 plus x plus y plus 7 is equal to 72 plus x plus y, and 72 plus x plus y plus 4 is equal to 76 plus x plus y. This means that the sum of the frequencies which we are given 100 is equal to 76 plus x plus y. Right? When you will add all the frequencies, this will come. That implies x plus y is equal to 100 minus 76. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 24. Let this be our equation number 1, which we will use to find out the value of x and y. Now, since n is equal to 100, which we are given, sum of frequencies, that implies n by 2 is equal to 50. Right? Okay. Also, as we are given the median, which is equal to 525, that means, as we know that the median is always the number between the median class, and here out of these class intervals, our number 525 must lie between 500 to 600. Therefore, this class interval will be our median class. So here median class is equal to 500 to 600. How did we get this? Because we are given the median 525, that is in the median class 500 to 600. So from here we get the value of lower limit L, which is equal to 500. Height h is equal to 100. Okay. Frequency of the median class is 20. And CF, as we know that class frequency, cumulative frequency, we take the preceding class of the median class. So if median class is this, so preceding CF will be 36 plus x. So here we have got all the values which we can put in formula. Let us calculate it. So since median is equal to L plus within bracket n by 2 minus Cf upon f into h. This formula we have used previously also. Therefore, median 525 is equal to L is 500 plus n by 2 which is 50 minus Cf we have taken is 36 plus x. I am putting this in bracket because this will change the sign of both the numbers. Frequency f is 20 multiplied by h which is equal to 100. Therefore, 525 minus 500, transposing 500, is equal to, within bracket, 50 minus 36 minus x upon 20 into 100. Here 20 can cancel 100, 25 is 100. Therefore, 25 is equal to 50 minus 36 is 14 minus x into 5. Therefore, 25 upon 5 is equal to 14 minus x. Once again we can cancel. That implies 14 minus x is equal to 5. Therefore, x will be equal to 14 minus 5. That implies x is equal to 9. First answer. Also, by equation number 1 we have x plus y is equal to 24. That implies 9 plus y is equal to 24. Therefore, y is equal to 24 minus 9. That gives you y is equal to 15. So here x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 15 are the two missing frequencies.